Okay guys, quick and dirty because that's how I roll. Actually, because I never have more than 5 minutes of silence and usually more like 3. I'm going to show you how to annotate receipts in case you get those terrible inauthentic complaints or worse yet, an IP infringement. We've got one of those right now and I'm pulling together my proof of purchase to show that we got the product legitimately. Here's what you do. I like to use this site called pdfescape.com. It's free. Go to it, click Free Online, upload PDF to PDF Escape. Choose your file. Hopefully you know where that receipt is. You're keeping good records, right? Mine was from Burlington. It's going to pull it in here. I'm going to click on Annotate, Highlight. Now I'm going to highlight all the pieces of information that Amazon wants to have. They usually want the supplier name and contact information. They want to see the date of purchase. They want to see your name. Hopefully there's some identifying factor somewhere on your receipt. If you're using a tax-exempt certificate, normally at least that number will show up, and hopefully your business name or your personal name will show up. It's great if you have a way to connect yourself to this receipt. And with Burlington, we have it right there. Scroll down and find the product. And because I already ran through this a couple of times, I think I know where it is, even though this is a pretty long receipt. All right, here's my item. I'm going to highlight this. They say you can hide the price if you want. In this case, I don't really feel a need to. And then I'm going to scroll further down. And I'm going to copy the card used. Last 4 digits. This is the card on my Seller Central account. If it's not, I will change it so they see it on my Seller Central account. And that's another concrete connection between our business and this purchase to prove that we got the items legitimately. Okay, so after I've highlighted everything, if I wasn't in a big hurry, I would come over here and click Insert Text. I would make it colored because that's a little easier for them to see. And I will number 1, supplier name and contact information. In my response to Seller Central, I will itemize all this information in a list so they can easily see what they're going to find. And then when they look at the receipt, all the information will be right there. Number 2, purchase date. Number 3, buyer name and contact information. I will go down and annotate every one of those with the highlighting and the text. And then I would come over here to the little green arrows, save and download PDF. Do you know how long it took me to find that? I probably just saved you a whole bunch of time, right? It will download as a PDF, same way that it was uploaded. And then I would save that and send it to, actually not seller support. It goes to another team like seller performance or whoever sent you whatever the notice that you're dealing with. That's how you annotate your receipt. Much easier than trying to learn Photoshop or trying to hack some other art program to make it happen. All you need is annotations on a PDF. Keep it easy, right? Bye.